Do you often ask yourself these questions? So you just left the house and you wondered, wait, did I lock the door? Or did I close the garage door? There were times I had to circle back around. I'm already halfway through on my way to work just to make sure that I lock the front door or close my garage. Here's another one. So you're in bed, you're getting ready to go to sleep, and then you think, did I close all the doors, the back doors, the garage doors, the side door? And you just can't let it go. And then you get up and go ahead and check those doors, make sure they're all locked. Here's the best one. So you're out of town on a business trip, or you're just out of town, and you call your wife, you talk to your wife, and you tell your wife, babe, please make sure the doors are locked. And then you keep thinking and thinking and thinking, man, I hope she does not forget. So as a husband, a dad, and the man of the house, we're kind of very paranoid about these things, and it's for a good reason. If a man cannot protect his family, then shame on him, right? No, I'm not talking about guns here. Just hold your horses. Well, the best thing about guns, though, for protection at least, is the hope that you'll never have to use it. But it's better to have it and not need it, and need it and not have it. This video is not about guns, I'll tell you right now. This is about doing everything you can to avoid using it as a protective measure in your home. In addition to protection, there's also this comfort of not needing to have or bringing keys all the time with you. I just hate having all those keys, and it's very bulky in your pocket. The products I'll be talking about in this video enables you to not have to worry about carrying keys all the time and feel a little bit better about home security without ripping holes in your pocket. So you don't need all this very expensive monthly subscription and equipment. Just watch this video and hopefully it can save you some money. So here are the products that is available right now, products you didn't think that you needed. First product, this enables you to close or open your garage door from anywhere around the world. It is pretty neat. I think this is a must-have if you have a garage. This answers the question, did I forget to close the garage door? So when you buy this product, you'll have two devices. One, you'll have to attach to the garage door, and the other one, which is the receiver basically, you'll have to plug it in. So for me, I have it up here in my garage on the side and just plugged in on the socket on the side of the garage. And then after that, you just have to download the app. And that's it. When you open the app, it tells you whether your garage door is open or closed. It actually enables you as well to close or open it anywhere that you have cell service or Wi-Fi. When you close it, it will create a warning sound and flicker the garage lights, letting anyone in the garage that the door is about to close. Just a little bit of safety feature. The next product is the Blink security cameras. When you get this product, it comes with two cameras already. So I mounted one in the garage and in the living room. The one in the living room gives me the ability to check on my dogs. The one in the garage enables me to make sure that the garage door is closed and occasionally look at my toys, just admiring how cool looking they are. Then we have the front door locks. This product is made by Eufy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. This lock has a feature that I love. Fingerprint scanner, dude. How cool is that? Besides the fingerprint scanner, you can also plug in your code, which you can program it on the app and generate a temporary code if your family or friends are staying with you for a while. It has an auto lock feature, which you can schedule a time of the day, whether it's 7 a.m. to a certain time or from 8 p.m. all the way till 5 a.m. the next day. Or it could also be a timer to lock itself when it is unlocked. It also has an app that uses the Bluetooth to operate the device. In this app, you can access the settings, and it will also tell you the battery life and whether the door is currently locked or unlocked, so you can go ahead and lock it or unlock it. Because of this device, I never need to bring house keys. Did I say I don't like bringing house keys? Although it does come with keys just in case the battery goes dead on you. I've installed it for about 9 months now, and I never had to charge it yet. Because of the auto lock and unlock features, it answers the question, did I lock the front door? Along with the front door lock is the eufy, however you want to pronounce it, doorbell. This is similar to the Ring, but a fraction of the price and does not need a subscription. One thing that I like about this product is that you do not have to run wires. It has a built-in rechargeable batteries that last about 3 months. The app also tells you the battery life, and it's easy to remove with a pin, the same pin to remove a SIM card from your smartphone. It has a built-in camera that detects motion in your front door, or you can access also the live feed from the camera if you want to see what's going on in the front door. I do find myself doing that from time to time, just to see what's going on. You can access this footage anywhere as long as you have a cell signal or Wi-Fi through the app that you also have to download. It comes with a wireless chime that you can plug anywhere in the house. These devices uses your home Wi-Fi to operate. So when someone presses the button or rings your bell, you will hear the chime from your house, records a video clip of the front door, and pushes notification on your phone through the app. On the app, you can respond by talking, of course, or use a preset responses that can be heard from the built-in speakers of that doorbell. This is very useful for those DoorDash deliveries and Amazon Fresh deliveries. It is even more useful for those who wants to solicit your vote and tell your ass to go to church. So what about the back door or the side door if you have one? Well, here's the final product in this video. This is your basic smart Deadbolt. No app, no Wi-Fi, no problems. It uses a AA batteries, which is easy to replace. I had it installed for about 4 months now, and I haven't really replaced the batteries yet. It does not tell you whether it's dead or not though. It just won't work. But for right now, I haven't had the need to really replace the battery yet. It also comes with a set of keys just in case your battery dies on you and you have to unlock the door from the outside so you can get in. Now to unlock it, simply plug in the numbers you programmed and hit the main button. You can program several codes and also temporary codes for your visitors. And of course, it also has an auto lock feature that uses a timer. So when it unlocks, it counts anywhere from 60 to 90 seconds and it just locks on its own. You can program this through the provided instructions. It's pretty easy. So there you have it. Save your money from paying subscription services and expensive equipment that requires installation that you also have to pay for them to install all those equipment. These products are just one-time investment. It's one-time purchase which you can remove and take it with you when it's time to sell your house or to move to a different house. It provides you security, deterrence, and a peace of mind every time you're not home. Most importantly, it answers your question, the question, did my wife forget to lock the doors? If you found value in this video, even for just a little bit, please hit the like button down below and check out all my other videos about dad and guy stuff somewhere around this screen. I do request that you consider subscribing to this channel. It does tell me if I should keep making YouTube videos, that it does help out someone somewhere, even for just a little bit. Hopefully it makes a little difference. Thank you for watching. My name is Bombo and I'll catch you on the next video.